How to capture video calls in Debut. Choose a screen recording area in Debut, adjust video and audio settings, and enable speaker and microphone recording. Start your video call, click Record to capture it, then click Stop to save the recording. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to capture video calls in Debut. Below the toolbar, choose whether you want to record the full screen, a specific window containing the video call, or a custom selected area. Click the Video Options button and choose your preferred resolution and frame rate. Use HD resolution for clearer video call recordings. Open the audio options and enable speakers to record the audio from the call. Enable microphone input as well if you want to include your own voice during the recording. For easier controls during meetings or calls, click Options and go to the Hotkeys tab. Add or customize hotkeys for starting and stopping recordings without leaving the call window. Start your video call, then click the Record button in Debut or use your assigned hotkey to begin recording. Make sure the call window stays within the selected recording area throughout the session. When the call is finished, click Stop or use the assigned hotkey. The recording will automatically save to the selected output folder and can be reviewed, shared, or edited later. For more Debut tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.